Alright, we got Gridiron gear. Is this 2010?
Yeah.
2010 Gridiron gear. Is that McFadden or Bush or?
It's McFadden. McFadden.
What, 100?
Yep, 49 of 100.
Well, McFadden's finally realized that he's a running back.
That's a numbered card. Whatever Nate Allen is numbered.
Oh, Gridiron gear's got the X's and the O's, like the X will be.
Got a redemption signature gold.
What number?
Number 194.
194
Yeah.
Amen.
of a rookie, Jacoby Ford.
Jacoby Ford.
Need a little help with that one. I couldn't tell you anything about
Don't know
Jacoby's
that.
fine work.
Who's this? He's got a different card than Cornell Williams.
Oh, Cadillac Williams.
Yeah.
National.
I think he,
Good job.
I think Cadillac was hurt most of the year, if I remember
I
right.
think so.
Reggie Bush. Tony Romo. Randy Moss. I'd say that was a 14 of 2. Chris Johnson. 250.
Yeah, so we got 2 hits and probably 2 left.
Should
Is
be
that
4,
right,
I
Doug?
think.
The Brady number to 250.
That's on Brady. Michael Turner. Larry Fitzgerald. 250.
Jim Tebow, rookie, number 250.
Mike Kafka.
Rookie. Number to 50.
Low numbered.
Uncle Vic.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at that.
Signature swatch or something like that?
Marius
Marius
Thomas.
Ricky Gems. Gridiron Gems.
25 or 50 on that
Sign
one?
it. Oh, look at
Look
that.
at that.
Look on the back.
Autograph, yeah.
142 of 173.
Wow.
Those are pretty
That's
cool.
pretty cool.
That'd be a little bit low number in that. That's a nice looking card.
That is.
Gold ink.
Yep.
Yeah, that is a pretty neat card.
That's
I don't know
pretty
who
cool.
that is, though. Who he played for the Broncos. Tom Brady. Adrian Peterson. How is Adrian Peterson doing?
One of the best running backs
Jay
in the
Cutler.
NFL.
Hey, that one's actually numbered lower. 63 of 100. Jay Cutler.
That's the gold X.
Wow.
There you go. 2010 Gridiron gear. One more pack.
Very good.
Who do we have here? Dexter McCuskler. No number.
Scan any of this stuff.
I scanned all of it, yeah.
There you go.